Who doesn't like a nice, yummy, ooey gooey s'more when you're up camping? Stay tuned for more than s'mores. Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures. Thanks for joining me today. I've got a special twist on s'mores. So my twist today is called Fruit S'mores Deluxe. It's super easy to make, and the best thing is it bakes up right in the pie tin for the ready-made pie crust. So we'll start with some Keebler ready-made pie crust, and we're going to add some fresh fruit. Feel free to change it up as to what your family likes. Today I've got some bananas and some strawberries. We've got some yummy caramel bites, some chocolate chips, some mini marshmallows, and then we're going to sprinkle some golden grahams on top. So ready for some deliciousness? Here's how it goes together. We've got our graham cracker pie tin, and we're just going to layer it with some strawberries on the bottom. Ooh, and they're so fresh and delicious. They look yummy. And we're going to add some bananas. Okay, we've got some yummy bananas. We're going to go ahead and add some marshmallows. These are going to melt and make it so ooey and gooey delicious. I can't wait to show you. Okay, now, because it's so hot today, the chocolate chips have started to melt. So we're just going to try to do our best to get these in here. Okay, and then my personal favorite, if you haven't seen these are a gem. They're caramel bites. Go ahead and add some caramel. Okay, so we've got the caramels on. Now we're just going to sprinkle it with some golden grahams. Okay, so there you have it. Does it look fabulous or what? So now what we're going to do is we're just going to put some heavy-duty aluminum foil on top and then just set it in the coals. Now all we want to do is warm it to make it ooey and gooey and mix all together. So it really is only about 10 minutes. So I'm going to put the lid on, we'll put it in the coals, and then I'll let you see what it turns out like. Okay, so we've got our fruit pie on the coals. So I've just gone ahead and I've added a couple coals on top to help it go just a little bit faster. Thank you for joining me today for our More Than S'mores video. I hope I gave you some ideas that could do a fun twist on just the original s'mores. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also leave some comments if you have a great treat that you would like to share with us. If you'd like to subscribe, we'd love for you to be a part of our Let's Go Now Adventure family. Check out some of our other videos, and from Let's Go Now, have a great night. Okay, so today in More Than S'mores, we are going to be making, what's it called?